Hi, my name is Chris Parlett. I'm a PI and Research Fellow here at the Harwell campus, and I want to give a brief overview of the research that my group's doing looking at producing sustainable chemicals and fuels. So we're looking at alternatives to fossil fuels, and we're looking at alternatives for sustainable productions both of fuels and chemicals. So we're interested in moving to biomass as a sustainable feedstock, and this can be the waste food crops or cash crops, and we're interested in how we can convert these into both fuels, in particular things like aviation fuels and biodiesel, but also into chemicals, so for the production of things like monomers, for the production of bioplastics. So we're interested in developing novel catalytic synthetic routes for these. So if we look at historically the conditions required for fossil fuel refining, we see that these are very different from what's required in processing biomass. So we need to develop novel catalytic systems and materials to do this, and we're particularly interested in developing multi-step transformations and developing functional materials that facilitate these. So these require different active sites to do multi-step processes in one pot. So this is a sustainable way of producing chemicals and fuels which will be critical in helping us achieve net zero and moving to a circular economy and away from the traditional linear economy of fossil fuel refining. Thank you.